Meadowdale is a small coastal stream that's been protected and is surrounded by a county park.
The public only had about a 6-foot wide culvert that they had to duck down and go through to get out to the beach.
During flood season, a lot of water would come down and flood the park, but with that also came a lot of sediment, and that sediment would build up behind the culvert.
With no access for much of the wintertime or much of the year, posed a lot of problems.
The project of Meadowdale was really opening up what used to be a 6-foot opening to the beach into an over 100-foot opening that also has ADA access, allows fish to get through easier, and restores an old historic estuary that's critical habitat for Chinook salmon. In order to restore salmon populations in Puget Sound, we need more access to habitat. We really hope that Meadowdale is a pilot project for many more to come.